friends, welcome. In this new video, we derive Lagrange's interpolation formula. We suppose that x0, x1, xn, these are the arguments, and f of x0, f of x1, f of xn, these are entries. Now construct a polynomial Pn of x equal to a0 into x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus xn plus a1 into x minus x0, x minus x2, x minus xn plus an into x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus xn minus 1. Remember, the coefficients a0, a1, an are constants. Here you can see that the factors of the first terms x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus xn. X minus x0 is not a part of these first terms. X minus x0, x minus x2, x minus xn. X minus x1 is not a part of these factors. This factor is not included in these terms. And here x minus xn is also is not included in this factor in the last terms. So we determine the constants by a simple substitution as x0 whenever the value f of x pn of x0 equal to f of x0, pn of x1 equal to f of x1, and pn of xn equal to f of xn. So by substituting this value we get the required coefficients a0, a1 and an. So first we put x equal to x0 in equation 1. Whenever we put this will be pn of x0, but what is a pn of x0? Pn of x0 is equal to f of x0, and we have now a0 into x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2 and x0 minus xn, where the second terms x0 minus x0, x minus x0 is a factor of each remaining terms, and therefore it will vanishes, and we get this value. From this value we easily find that a0 equal to the f of x0 divided by x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2 and x0 minus xn. Now put x equal to x1. So pn of x1, that means f of x1 equal to, now in the first term x minus x1 is a factor, so whenever we put x equal to x1 we get x1 minus x1, it will be 0, and second term a1 into x1 minus x0, x1 minus x2 and x1 minus xn, and all other remaining factor will become 0 due to these terms. So from this we get that a1 equal to f of x1 divided by x1 minus x0, x1 minus x2 dash dash x1 minus xn. Similarly, by continuing in this manner we get an equal to f of xn divided by xn minus x0, xn minus x1 and xn minus xn minus 1. So putting all these values in the polynomial pn of x equal to x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus xn divided by x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2 and x0 minus xn f of x0 plus x minus x0 x minus x2 x minus xn divided by x1 minus x0 x1 minus x2 x1 minus xn into f of x1 plus uh, x minus x0 x minus x1 x minus xn minus 1 divided by xn minus x0 xn minus x1 and xn minus 1 f of xn. So we get this polynomial, and this is called as a Lagrange's interpolation formula for unequal intervals, intervals. So in this manner we easily deduce the Lagrange's interpolation formula. When you remember how to construct a polynomial, that is equation number 1, and how to determine the constants a0, a1 and an, and then by this simple substitution we can easily deduce this interpolation formula. Thank you.